how to send money from PayPal to GCash account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do in your GCash over here is to click on cash in. Over here, you should be able to see here how to cash in options. So simply select global banks and partners. Skip our tutorial over here and you should be able to see here PayPal as one of its options. So simply select PayPal. And for me, I have already connected it. But for you guys, there will be a pop-up that will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. So simply enter your PayPal information. And after that, you should be able to perform a connection between our GCash and PayPal over here. After you have successfully connected those two platforms, it will now appear over here below as recent partners after you successfully cashed in. So after that, after you connected it, simply click on PayPal now. And over here, you're going to enter an amount. Keep in mind that the minimum amount is 500 peso. So if you go below that, as you can see, it will not allow you to export or get or cash in from PayPal. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.